Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera students. Today our lecture is on topic 6 application software for CSC134 computer and information processing, and I'm Sir Satria Arjuna bin Julaihi. Okay, these are the learning outcomes of this chapter. First of all, we look at the introduction, application software. So what is application software? Application refers to the task that the user need to do, or when we say application software, are the software that help user to do their task. In terms of task, it can be personal task, and also it can be professional task to do their work in the office. Now we'll look at the categories of application software. There are three categories: general purpose application, specialized apps or application, and mobile applications. General features of all the software is the first thing is they have GUI, graphical user interface, whereby these are means where user can interact with the software. Generally, they have icon, pointer, windows, menus, and also in Microsoft products especially, they have standards GUI like tabs, ribbons, groups, galleries, as shown in the figure in this slide. Okay, let us move to the first category of application software, which is general purpose applications. There are 5 general purpose applications as shown here. So we'll go to the first one, word processor program. Word processor program is very common, and as a student that use computer, you have been using word processor programs for years. Example of word processor program, the very famous one is Microsoft Word. Yeah, you can see other example here. Open Office, Apple Pages, and Google Docs are all word processor programs. Various reasons why you use word processor program. You can create letters, do assignments, especially reports, and also you can create flyers. Creating report, it can be a very formal report, it can be a fancy report with a lot of pictures. You can do it in the word processor program. The second one, remember there are 5 general purpose application, and the second one is spreadsheet. The very famous spreadsheet is Microsoft Excel, and you can also have various type of spreadsheet programs created by other companies. Why we use spreadsheet programs is to create, for example here, sales forecast. The features of spreadsheet program, it has worksheet, helaian kerja, text entries, functions, cells, formulas. For example, there you can see in the picture, you can list the sales, and then you can add them up. You can find the maximum, the minimum, the average, very easy and very fast. Apart from that, you can analyze your data using spreadsheet program. Analysis can also bring you to use graph. You all of you have done and used spreadsheet program, especially Microsoft Excel. Okay, the third one is presentation graphics program. The most common one that we use is Microsoft PowerPoint, We also have Google Slide, Open Office Impress, and so much other presentation graphic programs. The purpose is to do presentation. You have done your labs in Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can see there are various features of Microsoft PowerPoint. You can have animation, you can include video, which I'm doing right now. Yeah, you can have various templates of presentation. The fourth one, yeah, we have 5 general purpose application, and the fourth one is database or DBMS. DBMS stands for database, is DB, MS management system. This is not a very popular software because it is specific when you want to do data management and you have a lot of data. Yeah, for Microsoft product we have Microsoft Access, yeah, and other programs as listed there. DBMS is to create database with the features as shown in the slide. The fifth one, the last general purpose application, is the one that we use almost daily and maybe a lot of time every day, browser program. Why do you need browser program? Is to browse the internet. Yeah, you can have Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and right now the most famous browser is Google Chrome. Okay, we move on to the next category of application software, which is specialized application. Specialized application, there are specific disciplines, and for focus work includes various application of software as shown in this slide. We look at the first one, graphic programs for creating graphic arts, and we can have type of graphic programs are desktop publishing, image editing, illustration program, and image galleries. Desktop publishing is to produce newspapers, textbook, or ebook, newsletters. Yeah, for example, Microsoft Publisher and Adobe InDesign. Image editor is when we have an image and we want to edit the image. Of course, the very popular and powerful Adobe Photoshop comes in this category. And right now you have not more general or user-friendly image editors program, which is free, available online, for example. Illustration program, you want to create vector images, geometric shapes and objects, for example, Adobe Illustrator. Video editors, of course, video editors program are getting more and more popular because a lot of people are creating content online. Yeah, so you have a well-known program as listed in this slide, and you can have a lot of other video editors, free softwares that those softwares are available online. Video game design software, so this is specialized application. We are not talking about the video game itself, but we are talking about software to design or to create the video game. Web authoring program to produce website, yeah, but now we can have we have more available software free online. For example, Wix.com can be used to produce website. Other specialized application program is artificial intelligence program, and also virtual reality program. And apart from that, we have also specialized application for accounting, for personal finance, and for project management applications. Now we move to the third categories of application software, which is mobile application, or short known as mobile apps. Mobile apps definitely is very famous because more and more people are using smartphones. So smartphones, they use apps or mobile apps because the size of the mobile apps is smaller and the version is simpler if compared to full version of software. Here you can see various mobile apps. So with various purpose of the software, you have music, you have video, social networking, shopping, game, ebook reader, and other mobile apps. So you can look at in your own phone and you can describe your needs and also what other apps that you use. So mobile apps, definitely we download it from App Store. It can be Apple App Store, Google Play, and other App Store. Now we move to type of software, how software are being sold. If we have various services, it can be in terms of or in the version of integrated packages or suite packages. Yeah, first of all, integrated packages, what's the difference? Integrated packages is just a single program, but that single program have various functionality as if they are different softwares. For example, Microsoft Word or Apple Work. This is not very common anymore. Compared to suite packages, they are individual application, meaning that they are separate programs, but they are sold in a collection, sold together. For example, Microsoft Office or Open Office. Integrated packages have various functions, for example, word processing, spreadsheet, database manager, and more, but they are not extensive. But the advantage of integrated packages, they are less expensive because it comes in one software only and it is simple. Compared to software suite, it is bundled together and sold as a group or available as a group. Four type of suite: Office suite or Office software suite, productivity suite, for example, Microsoft Office, cloud suite or online office suite. So whenever you see the word cloud, it refers to online, for example, Google Docs, and much more bundled together application that is available online. Third type is specialized suite, for example, for drawing, for financial management, and the fourth one is utility suite, for example, produced by Norton system. When we are talking about application software, another issue that we need to address is also about sharing of data between application. Yeah, it can be just simply by using copy and paste. So you copy something from one application and then you paste it on another application. Another type is using object linking embedded, or OLE, a feature to dynamically share and exchange data between files. You have an object, a link from the source file, and you insert in the destination file, and the link between the two files is made. Okay, the final issue that we want to discuss here is collaboration, kerja sama. Yeah, one good way for collaboration is by using Google Docs. Yeah, it is free. It is available with your Google account, and you can create and then share your document very easy. It is fast, easy to use, and easy to learn, because Google Docs, they have documents, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and these are very useful, yeah, for especially for students and also for office workers. Okay, students, that's all for our lecture for today. Thank you very much for going through these videos, and I hope you understand regarding the topic application software. Thank you very much.